Hey everyone, I'm Leslie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a makeover on this little riser. It's got the fruit surrounding it. It looks like it was a candle holder. I'm going to do a remake on this and we're going to use it as a riser. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I show 3 different ways to stage this. First thing I'm going to do is give this piece one coat of my Rust-Oleum chalk paint in linen white. I'm using my mister to kind of spray the water and help it go down into the crevices. All right, after that coat of paint has dried, now I'm going to take my Rust-Oleum chalk paint in linen white, put a little bit in a cup, and I'm going to add some Dixie Belle Sea Spray. I want my paint to be a little bit thicker and have some texture. I'm going to give that a good mix. And there's no certain ratio on this. You can add more paint or you can add more sea spray. Just get it to the consistency that you're looking for. You're going to start applying this in a stippling motion. This brush was not working very well. I changed over to a brush that it goes to a point, the bristles, and you can get deep down into those crevices easily. This worked much better. So I'm going to go around this whole piece and give it one coat with the stippling motion and give it some texture, and it also helps with better coverage. I plan on putting an antiquing glaze on this piece, so I'm going to take my Minwax polyacrylic water-based sealer and I'm going to go around the whole piece and give it one good coat. I want to be able to wipe back some of the antiquing without making the white too dark. All right, now that that's dry, I'm going to take my antiquing mixture, which is Waverly antiquing wax and water that I mix up and keep in this jar. I'm going to work a section at a time and go around the whole piece. And I'm also going to spray it with a little bit of water to help the wax move and get deep down into the crevices. And then I'll just wipe it back with a paper towel. With the sealer on this piece, it will help me when I go to wipe back, and I can remove as much or as little as I want. Also here, I use the mister to help the wax get down into the crevices. I found this at my local Goodwill. It was $3.99 and it was 50% off that day. So for say $2, it was a great find. I gave this piece a little bit of time to dry. And now I want to take Paint Couture, and it's a metallic paint in the color bronze. And I'm just going to go over a few of the leaves around. I just want to give it a little touch. And I'll also wipe back with a wet wipe on the leaves. I want it to look worn, like the gold has worn off in time and aged. Once the gold dried, I'm going to take a wet wipe and go around and remove some of the bronze color. I want this piece to have an old world charm. I want this to look like it is old and aged, and I just love the way this is turning out. Once again, I want to thank everybody for being here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you again. Everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic week. Bye for now.